So this is my second floor window, and outside on the roof. So it looks like there's there, and then down at my car there are a number of people. It looks like standing right next to my vehicle. It's illegal, and I don't know why they're not willing to stop. But even though you're using invisible light, and what they're using is real people behind it. This is ridiculous. I've got neighbors hiding behind invisible light projections and they're trying to do stuff. Then we've got so I'm sorry. This is not legal. I don't know why. And all of this affects one person using a drug in the privacy of their own home? Oh my god. My neighbors have gone completely bonkers. This is not legal in any way. I'm demanding that it stop. But nobody fucking listens to me. And they just keep on doing what they're doing. Stare and ignore. Oh my god.